Hello, today is the day 4 for the Power BI series AdventureWorks sample database. Um, and today is also the Chinese New Year. So, keenly here, I wish every Chinese everywhere a happy Chinese New Year. Hope there will be um, peace and harmony uh, and less conflicts between countries everywhere in the world. Okay, let's start on our topic on Power BI and also data sample data set on AdventureWorks. Last week we have identified 14 tables. Let me change to my desktop screen. Okay, so we have identified 14 tables that we'll be focusing on. We may not ultimately use everyone, but this is the first initial identifications pertaining to the sales. Okay, so we today we will be focusing only on the person table. Um, wait, customer table and sales territory table. So we'll merge these three tables first. Okay, the method I'll be using is we'll import this through SQL into the Power Query editor. Okay, let's start here. I've actually done, write the code here already, but we will redo this step by step. So let me open up. Let me see. Okay, let me clear this. Um, okay, and let me do the select. So the three tables, remember, we will be select. Then we have the from. Then we have the where clause. WHERE. Okay, so the from will be it will be from three tables. So let's copy this. So from the customer table, from the person table to retrieve the names and the sales territory to retrieve information on its location. So basically this is the customer info, and let's do this. So from the customer table, um, so we have the alias name C. So sales customer. So it's a C. We need a customer ID, person ID, store ID, and a territory. I don't need a store ID here now. Sorry, I'll remove this. Do I need? No, I don't need. Then I will need a person. So I have the person type, title, first name, middle name, and last name. That's the information I need to acquire. Then we'll from the territory table, I also need to extract information, the country code region, the sales year to date, sales last year, cost year to date, and cost last year. Okay, so and I'll need also the where condition between the duration between these tables. So let's do this. Copy. Okay, so where person ID equals to P person entity ID. So person type is individual. That's the customer, and territory ID equals customer territory ID equals to territory dot territory ID. So order by customer ID. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so F5. Okay, bingo. Okay, this is fine. We may not need this because it's zero. There's no way that we can use this info to compute. So maybe I'll remove this to keep it clean and tidy since there's no value in it. So cost YTD cost last year. Let's remove this. Okay, so this is the new uh, data set. Perfect. Okay, so with this, let's go on to import this or extract this. Let me open up my Power BI desktop. Let's wait for a while. Okay, because my my notebook is running a few programs in parallel, so it takes up some memory space. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Let it load. Okay, this is the landing page. So because we will be using dataset in the SQL Server, so click on the SQL Server, uh, then import data from the S. Oh, okay. So my server name is very simple. Let me just go back to my SSMS. My server name is Asia Story slash SQL Express. That's my server name. Okay, let me close this. So Asia Story slash forward slash SQL Express. Because I'm using SQL to extract all the information, I need a database name. That's AdventureWorks2022, and I'll import advanced option. So I'll go back to my SSMS, then I'll select this query, Control C, then I'll go back to my, oh, where's it? Okay, here. So SQL statement. So I'll just copy and paste, and okay. So it may take at least. I hope this will go fast in a moment. Is it navigating? Let me check. Is it loading? I think this. Okay, wait. I hope everything is okay. So I'm using actually let me check, OBS Studio, and now I have opened up my Word and SSMS uh, and Power BI desktop, so everything is running. Or did I do something wrong? Did I spell this correctly? AdventureWorks2022. Um, oh, okay, it's loading. I hope. Yes. Okay, we are here. So now we will be doing the transformation. So to do that, I'll select the transform data. Okay, looking good. Okay, so there's a query name query one here. So I'll rename this. Either I can rename through here, double click, or I can rename it through here. Okay, so I'll do here instead. So I'll give you a name, customer info. Okay, enter. So we have this customer info here. Okay, we will first do a brief view using the column quality. So there's this 100% valid, everyone. That's good. 100% valid, and 0% error. Let me check. Yes, 0% error, and also there's 0% empty field, empty cell. Let me see. Except for this one, there's a lot of null because of this title. Yes, that's correct. I believe there are some entries with some valid values, and also there's okay. We have first name, middle name. Some of them don't have correct. So in this case here is 44%. So zero for the last name, last empty 0% for the last name. That's correct. First name and last name is correct. So we also have the country region code. We have the sales uh, year to date, sales last year. Okay, bingo. Let's properly do the adjustment, some corrections. So we'll keep the customer ID, person ID, territory ID, person type. Uh, Person type now is only IN. Okay, so we'll remove this because it's already a customer. So remove. Okay, title. Um, this is the first 1,000 rows. Okay, so there'll be some Mr. Miss. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is to merge these fourth column values. Okay, so we are going to do that now. Select four of these, and we'll do right click. Then we'll do merge columns. So separator space. New column name. Let's give it a full name. Full name. Okay. Okay. So we have a full name, John Cindric, and we have the country region code. Make it nicer with a space. That's a string, correct. Full name is also a string, correct. Territory ID is a whole number, correct. Person ID is a whole number. Sales year to date. Sorry. We'll give it fixed decimal number with a currency symbol. Same for year. Year last sales last year. Okay, good. So this is also the fixed decimal number. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we have running customer ID and its corresponding name, and the country region code, and sales year to date. Okay, let's also now we have the column quality. Now we check on with the column distribution. Okay, so 1000 distinct, 1000 unique. That's correct. And 1000. This is that's also correct. So this is the ID, and territory ID 10 distinct. Oh, that's possible. And 3 unique. So we have full name. We have country, region code. Okay, sales information. Okay, let's click on the column profile. Sorry. So let's select the customer ID. Okay, so this is correct. Uniform. Person ID, this is also looking correct. Territory ID, there's a lot of false. Then the second is the 9 territory, which I have no idea where is it now, but there's 1, 16, then 5, 5, 3, and 2. That's the minimal. Okay, so there's 8 here. Okay, um, so territory ID, full name. Okay, region code. So US is the with the largest proportion. Then AU, CA, GB, France, and I think DE is, I'm not sure, but I think it's Denmark. Okay, then we have the sales year to date. Okay, and we have the sales last year. Okay, this is perfect. Let me check what other things that I need to do for now. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to um, save this. Save name. We'll just put it as adventure ADVENTURE works 2022. Uh, let's put this Power BI series AdventureWorks 2022. Okay, so I'll save it in my. Okay, let's Power BI. Okay, save. They are pending there. Do you want to apply them? Okay, let's apply. Oh, it's loading. Let me see whether does it load. Uh, so now you can see for customer ID, each of these are very unique. So at 111000, the name is John V Yang from AU country code. Then there's sales year to date of this is 5 million, 5.977 million. Then sales last year uh, 2.278. We may need to, I mean, since this is a date year value, we may need to add a year reference. If not, we will not know sales last year is pertaining to which year. Okay, I'll look into this and whether do we need to put the date column here somewhere so that this can reference to that year. Okay, maybe we need that now. I'll do that. I'll do some research and see if I can put it up on the next video. Okay, let it load. Okay, for mainly for today's session, this is where we will stop. There's another way of doing this is to drag all the three tables. My three tables are customer, person, and territory into Power BI, Power Query Editor. Then we merge these three tables in the Power Query Editor. That's another way of doing this. Maybe I can also do that in the next video. Uh, that's more commonly that's a more common approach, and it is slightly easier because you don't have to write the SQL query. Maybe we can do this together in the next video. Let's see. Okay, so waiting for the AdventureWorks 2022. Okay, now it's loading. Let's wait just a little while longer. So this is the customer info. So it's the properties. So this is the query name, which I have renamed. Oh, okay. There's actually apply steps where you can cancel it off. Okay, let's do this in the next video. So I can, if I do something wrongly, I can remove the latest steps, or somewhere here I just remove it, and then I'll redo it again the correct way, that kind of stuff. So this is very valuable, this part here. So of course, this thing, column distribution, column profile, and column quality. So for the column distribution, oh, I can't do anything now. So these three are very common and very popular to help to identify certain issues. For example, the distributions, you can visually see the maximum value and the minimum value and the range and the values in between. So we can also identify outliers. Okay, we are done. So we are now in the, oh wait, yes, we are now loading into, oh no, we are not. Okay, we are still here. Okay, that's good. Let's, or are we? Let's keep it this way. Okay, so we have saved, and we are still in the, is this the Power? Yes, this is still in the Power Query Editor, I hope. Yes, we are. Okay, stay there. So because next week we will be doing inputting a few more tables, and we'll do some data cleaning and adjustment and try different steps. Okay, likely tomorrow, no, next week we will do the traditional way. That means we'll import tables into here, then we will either do a merge. Uh, that's another approach. Today, today we use the SQL statement instead. Okay, let me go back to my main screen. Okay, so this is it for today video. So see you in the next video. Don't miss it. Okay, so if you have friends who are interested to okay, let's learn together in this Power BI learning journey, and please share with them, and we can grow together. See you the next time. Thank you.